You're watching the Ship on Day 1 Field Guide. I'm Hans. Let's get ship done. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in measuring knowledge sharing. Your team and your organization probably has many ways that they share their knowledge, but maybe you're not sure which ways are most effective and what's most useful. As software developers, you and I know that it's important to make data-driven decisions. But to do this, we need data. During this video, we'll talk about 4 distinct things that we can measure about our knowledge-sharing systems to make sure that they're effective and working properly. Measurement 1. What are the number of documents that we have within our knowledge-sharing system? This might include wiki pages, more permanent documentation, or Confluence pages. Generally, it should trend upwards. Measurement 2. What is the coverage of code documentation within our projects? This might include Swagger documentations, JS docs, or Java docs. Generally, this should also trend upwards, as software developers add more documentation to the underlying code. Measurement 3. What are the popular pages and pieces of documentation? This isn't necessarily a trend so much as a scatter plot. You should be able to identify what the most popular and the least popular pages are. And finally, and closely related, 4. What is the usefulness of each page and each piece of information within our knowledge sharing system? Again, this is a scatter plot showing what people find useful and also constructively critical to ourselves what people find not quite as useful. You might think of other things that you want to measure in terms of your knowledge sharing for your organization. But whatever you want to measure, set a goal for yourself. Maybe by the end of this sprint, have 2 distinct things that you're measuring and gain data back on. We're going to use that data in the next video on optimizing knowledge sharing. You can find that video and so many more developer resources at shiponday1.com. I'll see you there. Thank you.